Aprilia has officially unveiled the RSV4 GP, an ultra-limited, track-focused superbike that brings MotoGP technology to the realm of production-based motorcycles. As the fifth model under the Elite X designation, the RSV4 GP follows in the footsteps of previous high-performance specials like the RSV4X, Tuono X, RSV4X Trenta, and RSV4X Extrema. Just 30 units of this model will be produced, underscoring its exclusivity and pure racing intent. The RSV4 GP adopts cutting-edge aerodynamic components directly from Aprilia's MotoGP machine. Among its most striking features are winglets positioned on the front fairing, tail, and under the seat, the latter being a distinctive innovation Aprilia calls leg wings. These additions increase aerodynamic load during both braking and cornering. The side fairings are also specially contoured to reduce air pressure between the bike and the ground while leaning, thereby enhancing downforce. Aprilia claims these refinements result in 5 times more vertical load on straights and 3 times more while cornering, compared to the standard production RSV4. The entire bodywork is crafted from carbon fiber by Pan Composite, the same company responsible for the fairings of Aprilia's MotoGP contender. This includes not only the body panels but also a carbon fiber subframe, ensuring lightweight construction and exceptional rigidity. At the heart of the XGP is a heavily tuned version of Aprilia's 1099cc 65-degree V4 engine, now pushing out a claimed 238 horsepower at 13,750 RPM and 131 Nm of torque at 11,750 RPM. To reach these performance figures, Aprilia Racing increased the compression ratio, added a high-flow sprint filter, modified the intake trumpets, and fitted a MotoGP-style titanium double-pipe exhaust system from SC Project. A key upgrade is the switch from a wet to a STM dry clutch, more suited for high-performance track use. In terms of electronics, the XGP is fitted with a GPS-equipped Aprilia Racing APX ECU, directly derived from WSBK program. This high-spec unit offers multiple adjustable settings, allowing riders to tailor traction control, engine braking, power delivery, and front-wheel lift strategies per gear and per track condition. It's essentially a superbike-level brain on board a production-based machine. The chassis is built around a double-cradle aluminum frame paired with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, providing the handling precision demanded at this level. Braking is top-tier, featuring Brembo GP4 MS billet monobloc calipers, CO4 race pads, and 330mm T-drive discs. At the rear, Aprilia employs a nickel-plated brake caliper, further showcasing its attention to detail. Other race-derived components include Marcassini-forged magnesium wheels, Pirelli World Superbike spec slick tires, and numerous lightweight elements that contribute to an impressively low dry weight of just 165 kilograms. Every aspect of the RSV4 GP reflects Aprilia's deep MotoGP expertise, offering riders an exclusive opportunity to experience a machine that blurs the lines between racing prototype and track weapon.